Hello students, how are you? Students, the day before yesterday I explained second part of the lesson. Now I am going to explain third part of it. Now listen. The film was a hit and one of the Bismillah Khan's composition Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya turned out to be a nationwide chartbuster. Students, the film Goonj Uthi Sehnai, which was directed by Vijay Bhatt, became super hit, and one of Bismillah Khan's composition Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya broke all nationwide records, and that song became very famous. Despite this huge success in the celluloid world, Bismillah Khan's ventures in film music were limited to two: Vijay Bhatt's Goonj Uthi Sehnai and Vikram Srinivas' Kannada venture Sanadi Aparna. Despite this huge success in film, Bismillah Khan composed music for only two films. One, Vijay Bhatt's Goonj Uthi Sehnai, and other was Vikram Srinivas' Kannada film Sanadi Aparna. He did not compose music for any other films except these two films. I just cannot come to terms with the artificiality and glamour of the film world, he says with emphasis. And he said why he did not compose music for any other films except two films, because he did not like the artificiality and the glamour of Bollywood, of celluloid world. Awards and recognition came thick and fast. Bismillah Khan won many awards and he became famous very soon. Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to be invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln Center Hall in the United States of America. Bismillah Khan was the first Indian who had been invited at the prestigious Lincoln Center Hall in the United States of America. He also took part in the World Exposition in Montreal, in the Cannes Art Festival, and in the Osaka Trade Fair. He also played Sehnai in the World Exposition in Montreal, in Australia, in Cannes Art Festival, and in Osaka Trade Fair in Japan. So well known did he become internationally that an auditorium in Tehran was named after him, Tahar Mausiqi Ustad Bismillah Khan. He became so famous. At international level. Ustad Bismillah Khan became so famous at international level that an auditorium in Tehran was named after him. Tahar Mausiqi Ustad Bismillah Khan. National awards like the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan, and the Padma Vibhushan were conferred on him. And national awards like Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, and Padma Vibhushan were given to him. Is a He got success in winning the national awards like Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. Now I request you to read and write the explanation, and tomorrow I will explain fourth part of it. Thank you and have a nice day.